Hello and welcome to this weather update. It's about 2 p.m. on April 26, 2019, and it is absolutely pouring outside right now, and that is because we are dealing with this. Let me get the weather stations off of here. We are dealing with this heavy cell that is moving right over us right now, and yes, it's a thunderstorm. Actually getting some lightning strikes right here that are occurring with this storm. No warning out for this storm. I do not know why there's no warning out for it. At least there should be a flash flood warning because it is absolutely just pouring and making such a racket here. And here it is. So here's the cell. We'll put the radar into motion, I guess. We'll do that. So you can take a look at this. Hearing a lot of thunder outside too. So here it is. Here's the cell. It is moving across, and it looks like it's going to miss the South Shore, but it is moving. It's moving from southwest to northeast, so it's moving across central Nassau and the North Shore of Nassau. This won't hit Suffolk County either, but this is quite an intense cell here. But nothing, no warning issued on the radar. There's a special marine warning out for it, but other than that, no warnings at all whatsoever. I'll refresh again. I don't know why they're not issuing a flash flood warning with this thing, because at the very least, it's absolutely just pouring outside, and I'm sure this could cause some flash flooding with this cell here that we have in our area. And you can see there's more to the more heavy rain coming. Suffolk County so far has missed out on the heavy rain, but this is continuing. So alright, they do have a flood advisory in effect, but no flash flood warning in effect. So let's take a look at the current conditions outside as far as the temperature goes. 54, dew point 53 at Farmingdale. Fog and mist being reported. Some very dense fog, actually. Visibility only 0.13 of a mile. Let's see how much rain has fallen at Farmingdale so far. Not very much at all. So it's very interesting. Farmingdale hasn't gotten much rain. I'll tell you, we've gotten a lot of heavy rain here in this part of the neck of the woods. So it looks like Suffolk County so far has missed out on that heavy rain. I have a feeling it's going to be the same story at West Hampton too. So you know they got 0.36 of rain. So they got 0.36. It's not over. We got a lot more rain to go. Islip. See how much rain they've gotten so far. 55, dew point 53. About a quarter of an inch of rain. So interesting that Farmingdale must have just missed on those showers. Alright, now we're going to look at JFK, because I'm sure it's going to be a lot more as we head toward the city. And you see JFK is reporting a thunderstorm and heavy rain, 51 degrees, and northeast winds at 17 gusting to 23. Visibility a mile. I don't know if this microphone can pick up the thunder at all, but it is thundering outside right now. So let's see. So you can see a lot more rain at this is LaGuardia actually. So they've gotten already about 0.81 inches of rain so far, and there's a lot more rain to come. So that's LaGuardia. Let's take a look at Kennedy. That's what I'm trying to do here. I don't know if you can hear that, but it is absolutely pouring outside. So thunderstorm, heavy rain, 55 degrees, and the dew point also up to 55 at Kennedy. Let's see how much rain they've gotten. Not as much as LaGuardia, but after this thunderstorm, it'll probably be over an inch. Man, it's coming down out there. Alright, let's take a look at New Jersey, because it's a lot warmer there. Oh, and look at this. We have tornado watch again in effect for Pennsylvania. Severe thunderstorm warnings. These are special marine warnings offshore. And this tornado watch also extends into extreme southern New Jersey as well. So we're seeing another repeat again of the severe weather. So 68 degrees, and times are a lot warmer and the dew point 63. Let's see how much rain they've gotten. Not that much. All right. It's probably going to change. So again, you can see all these lightning strikes here. And this kind of shows where the heavy rain is falling when you look at the history of the lightning strikes. It's where the thunderstorms are. So again, there's some more lightning strikes up here. And radar. So this thing should wrap up soon, but it's a big cell, so it's going to take a little while to move through. It looks like it's hit New York City and Nassau County. So now let's go and look at the models. Let's see where we stand with this system, with the forecast at least. The models so far have been like off so far. They said the heavy rain would be waiting until later this evening, but clearly that is not what's happening. Yes, this is the NAM. This is completely off. This is where the heavy rain, it has the heavy rain, but obviously this is completely off. This is at least a little bit further to the east. So, and after this batch, then we have to watch out for another batch probably later on. So it's going to be a very wet day across the area, and I think it's underestimating the amount of rain that is falling. I bet it is going to see total accumulating precip. We're going to get we're already over an inch. So this thing, this is why I'm not even looking at the models at this point, because they're completely off. I'll just see if we can clear it out tomorrow, but I don't know if that's going to, well, then there might be a little more, show a little encouragement earlier in the day, and then the clouds kind of roll in later on. What about the GFS? GFS probably not. No, still clouds us over. Alright, well that's, like I said, I'm not even bothering with the models at this point. I'm not even bothering with them. So, because they're completely off on the precipitation and the rain, and we'll just pull this out to show you a little wider view of the rain here that is falling across our area. So, here's this heavy rain here, you can see, and then there's this other area, heavy rain off to the west. Pull this out even more. Show you, we've got a lot more to go here. We're going to see well over an inch of rain here, maybe 2 inches. Back edge isn't until Ohio, and this thing is taking its sweet time moving through. So expect after this, it's like the rain is training over the same areas over and over again. Hopefully, maybe later on we can get into this little break here, but then later, and then we're gonna have to deal with this and this. So we got a ways to go on the rain train here. I'll have another weather update for you later on tonight. Thank you for watching.